Sasrikal students, today we will discuss some of n terms of special series. So in that, the first series is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n. The second one, 1 square plus 2 square up to n square. Third one, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube. Students, here n is a natural number. So this is basically the sum of first n natural numbers. So the first one, rather being very simple, we can see that this is basically a arithmetic series, right? Now, if this is arithmetic series, let's define the first term, that is A. And Ishma, what is the common difference D?
1.
Correct. Common difference is an minus, please say an minus 1. Any term, it should not be first term minus the preceding term. So take any term. Let's say I take 4 and the last term is 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. The common difference is 1. First term is also 1. So guys, I'm interested in finding out sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. Now guys, it's important that these are the sum of first n terms. Then they're not getting started from 10, 11, 12, 13 till maybe 17 or 20. Care should be taken. The first term has to be 1. First term has to be 1. Then this formula is applicable. Otherwise not. First of sum of not n terms. Rather I should write sum of first n terms. Right? It's very important. First. So sum of first n terms, let be represented by Sn. S for sum, n for n terms. Is equal to, let me apply the formula. So the formula is, yes Arjinder, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Ishma, please complete and speak loudly. Hello Ishma, put the values in this formula. So n is n by 2. What is first term?
1.
First term. So this becomes 2 plus n minus 1 into what is d?
An minus 1.
Yeah, that is 1. You already derived that. D is 1. Yeah, but you're telling the formula correctly. But I asked the value for D in this particular case. Am I right? Common difference is 1. So this becomes n by 2. Yes, Ishma. Next step. It's 2
Into 2 plus n minus 1.
Very good. So what is the formula we have derived? N by 2 into, please tell.
N plus 1.
Oh, that's beautiful. We have already derived the formula. So we can say sum of first n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. That's it. It's so simple. We have derived it. It's good. Now, let's do some applications of this. Let's discuss some applications of this, right? So just 1 second. This is the formula we have derived. Now see, the applications are pretty interesting, students. So you just see, students, somebody says, Ishma, find the sum of first 5 natural numbers. First 5 natural numbers. How will you find? So S5, it will be S5 would be equal to, apply the formula Ishma and tell me the result. Yes, students? Come on.
5 into
5 into
6 upon 2.
5 plus 1 by 2. That's perfectly fine. That is 5 into 6 by 2. So that is equal to 15. And if we actually take 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5, 5, 10 plus 5, 15. That is correct. Now, somebody says find 7 to 45. How can we do this? Applying this formula. Can you think, students? How can you do this? Applying this formula? Any idea? How can you find Sn is equal to 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus till 45? So it's not so difficult as it looks. All right. Difficulty is we don't really have the first 6 terms. Am I right? We don't have first 6 terms. So basically, this is the sum from 7 to 45. And actually, we don't have any formula for this. But we do have formula for 1 to 45 terms. Am I right? Now, suppose we have sum of 1 to 45, and we also have sum of what? 1 to 6 terms. Now, can you tell how we can find sum of 7 to 45? In case this and this we find separately.
We'll subtract both.
Beautiful. We'll subtract both. That's really good. So there's a way the people in the foreign they teach, they tell the concept, the background to the student give answer for everything. That's beauty of maths. So let's do it. In this case, students, it will be, we want to find sum of 7 to 45 is equal to sum of 1 to 45 minus sum of 1 to 6. Oh, that's great. So this is equal to, what will be sum of 1 to 45? So it will be, what's the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. Yes, Arjinder. So this will be 45 into next term, n plus 1, 46 by 2. Beautiful. Minus, what will be sum of first 6 natural numbers? What? 6 into 7 by 2. Perfectly fine. So this is equal to, we can say 45 into 23 minus 3 into 7. Guys, please do it. And you'll get the answer once you solve it. You can actually see the sum is correct. Beautiful. So guys, we've already got the sum of first 10 natural numbers. Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. That's great. So let's concentrate on next series. What is the next series, guys? Next series is, let's find the sum of 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, plus up to n square. It's good. All right. How will you do it? So guys, it's basically the square of like, first and natural number, the separate squares and the sum. So it's very important to see, students, what is Sn here, student? What is Sn in the second case? Sn is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. How can I write it in terms of summation? So let every term, individual term, be represented by k. Now, this is basically square of every individual term. And k starts from 1 to n. Can I represent it like this? Have you understood? Okay, then tell me, how will I represent Sn is equal to, let's say I have, summation x cube divided by 7, x is equal to 4 to 8. Can you tell me this series, Ishma? Please expand this. Please expand this.
4 cube divided by 7
4 cube divided by 7
plus 5 cube divided by 7.
plus 8 cube divided by
8
7.
cube divided.
Perfectly right. Or you could have said 1 by 7 into 4 cube plus 5 cube till 8 cube. That's great. So this is fine. So now, in order to derive this expression, students, it's important to remember identity. Well, students, this identity is what? This identity is k cube minus, now you see, we are taking k also as natural number, right? So if k is a natural number, so what will be previous number? If k is a natural number, Ishma, what is the previous number of k? So it will be k minus 1.
K minus 1.
Oh, that's beautiful. Good. So let's try to find out a relationship of this. This will be very helpful to find 1 square plus 2 square plus till n square. Very easily we can find this, or we can represent it like this: summation k is equal to 1 to n k square, right? So let's expand this, Ishma. Do you know this, how to expand? So it will be k cube minus, please tell me the expansion of k minus 1 cube. Tell me. So this will be k cube, yes, minus 1 cube minus 3 into k into 1 into k minus 1, right? This is the formula of x minus y cube is equal to, please tell me, Ishma, x cube, tell me.
Minus y cube.
Shabash. Minus
Minus
3xy
3x.
and no, 3xy into x minus y. So see that in minus sign, all are minus. First term minus, second term minus, here also minus, but the one important thing is the first term is having plus as a sign. All other terms are having minus sign. Remember that. If you write like this, if you multiply minus 3xy by minus y, and then that case it will be, last term will be plus. Okay. So guys, so what is this equal to? K cube, please tell me, minus, yes, please expand. It will be k cube minus 1. This is minus 3k. Minus 3k into k is how much? Minus 3k. Minus 3k into minus 1 is, sorry, this is minus 3k square, right? So minus 3k into minus 1 is plus 3k. Am I right? Let's change the color. So this is equal to, yes, Ishma, k cube, tell me, minus
K cube.
Minus k cube, good. Say
Plus
this.
1.
Plus 3k square minus 3k. Yes, last term. Plus 1. Is it right? Is it right? So
Yes, sir.
I've just written this first, okay? Then k and then k in the decreasing order of index of k. So this is equal to, k cube cancels with k cube. This is equal to, please say, 3k square minus
3k plus 1.
Oh, that's really great. K cube minus, what is the preceding number? K minus 1 cube is equal to this. Oh, this is also a formula you should have in your memory. So in order to just memorize it again, if I say, let's say natural number is x cube minus, what is the preceding number? X minus 1 whole cube is equal to, yes, Ishma? In this case, it will be 3.
3x square minus 3x plus 1.
Oh, that's really beautiful. That's great. So if it is n cube minus n minus 1 whole cube will be equal to, can you say from your mind? So it will be 3n square minus 3n plus 1. Oh, that's great. All right. Better you write it 5, 6 times. Remember it. So once you know this formula, this derivation is very easy. Okay, fine. So once again, what is the new formula you have learned, guys? Tell me. K cube minus k minus 1 cube. See, this is minus here is equal to 3k square minus 3k plus 1. Beautiful. Once you know this, the things are done. Okay, students. Now this is the formula we have learned. Students, here, let's put k is equal to 1, 2, 3 till n. Okay, Ishma, in this formula, you know, please put 1 everywhere. So what do I get? Don't miss anything. Then you understand very easily. Yes, put k everywhere and don't miss anything. Please speak.
1 cube,
Shabash. Minus 0 cube.
0
0 cube.
is equal
0
to
cube. Say 0 cube.
0 cube.
Cube is equal to, yes,
3
3, yes,
minus 3
into,
plus 1.
no. I told you, say everything. Otherwise, you will find it difficult to derive. 1 square minus 3 into 1
Into 1
plus 1. Is it
plus
simple?
1.
Is it simple or difficult?
Yes.
But if you don't follow steps, it becomes difficult. That is the magic. Okay, now put k is equal to 2. Arjinder, you say put k is equal to 2. 2 cube minus 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So it will be 1 cube is equal to, tell me, 3 into 2 square, shabash, minus 3 into 2 plus 1. Beautiful. Ishma, you say the third one. Come on, read
3
fast.
cube,
Oh, that's beautiful. Now you put k is equal to 3. Here k is equal to 2. And here k is equal to 1. Hope you are writing down, students, simultaneously. So I'm not being very fast, so they can write down simultaneously. Maths is never ever learned just by listening. You know, it's not a question of ears. It's ears plus your hand plus your brain. 3 things combined. Obviously, if you have eyes, you put your eyes. If you're blind, then it's other story. Okay. So all these things, you know, put together, you learn very good maths. So come on, Ishma, say that. 3
cube
3 cube minus
2 cube,
preceding number. 2 cube is equal to 3.
3 into 3 square,
3 into, say again.
3 square,
Oh, that's beautiful. Minus
3 into 3
3 into 3. Okay.
plus 1.
Oh, that's great. Beautiful. So you keep going further, and then you will get what? Can you tell? What will you get? Yes, you will get n minus 1 cube minus what will come here? Yes, can you say? It will be the preceding term of n minus 1. What is before n minus 1? N minus. What is after n minus 1? And what is before n minus 1? N minus 2. All right. So this will be, come on, say that. N minus. Ishma?
2.
Oh, that's good. Cube is equal to, come on, 3. 3 comes everywhere. N2. Yes? Tell me.
N minus 1 square.
That's good. That's good. This is an additional step we have introduced for students to understand better. Some steps are confusion in the book. Okay? Minus 3 is common everywhere. See, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. It's all common. Okay. Into, yes? Tell me. Minus 3 into?
3 into n minus 1.
And minus 1. Okay. Plus 1. Is it right? And what will be the
Yes, sir.
last equation? Yes, Arjinder, you say? Last equation. 1 cube. No, no, no. You see, after 1, 2. After 2, 3. Then n minus 1. Last term will be n cube. Yes, minus. इससे पहले n minus 1 cube is equal to 3n square minus 3n plus 1. Beautiful. That's really great. Okay. So students, now I want you to add all the equations. Equation number 1, and then equation number 2, equation number 3, and what is this equation number? N minus 1. And this is equation number, Ishma? This is our equation number n. Beautiful. So we add all. We add all equations. You see, whenever we add equations, first we add what? Left hand side of all equation. Am I right? And then we add the what? Then we add the, come on students, say. Then we add the right hand side of all the equations. Oh, that's really great. Beautiful. So come on, let's add. So what we will get? See, you add, write everything. Write everything. Don't miss anything. Come on, Ishma. 1 cube. Come on, add everything. Say
plus
that.
2 cube.
No. Don't miss this. Don't miss. You won't understand otherwise. Minus 0 cube.
0 cube.
Yes. Plus
2 cube.
Yeah.
Minus
you would yourself derive this and you will say, so this is very simple. Minus 1 cube. Yes. Further, bache.
Plus 3 cube.
Plus 3 cube.
Minus 2 cube.
Oh, that's good. Plus dash. So
n minus 1.
Yes. I'm listening to you. Say that. Minus n minus 2
n
cube.
minus 2 cube.
And do you see that this term also will be cancelled by the previous term? Anna? Okay, then.
Yes.
Plus n cube.
N cube.
Minus
n minus 1 cube.
Oh, that's beautiful. See, Ishma, what will be on the right side? Tell me. You see. Now, instead of writing everything, can I take 3 common and in the bracket what I will get? Please tell me. I will get 3 common. In the bracket what I'll get? When I add all these, beautiful, plus 2 square, plus till what? N square. And do you know, Ishma, this is actually we want to find out, that is Sn. Am I right? This is actually we want to find out. We are interested in finding out this. So we have done all this. It's like a jal in which this panchi is trapped. Okay. So what will be next? Can you tell, Ishma? All these terms we have added. I'm sorry, I missed n minus 1. You students can add it. And previous to this, it should be plus 3 into n minus 1 square. Now, please add these, Ishma. This one, this one, this one.
Minus
one. Beautiful.
1.
Minus 3 will be common. So it will be what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to?
Till n.
N. Before that will be n minus 1. In the last will be n. Beautiful. And then what will be the third? Just add 1, 1, 1. How many times 1 is coming? How many equations are there? No, no, no.
N
There are not 4
times.
equations. No, no, no. There are so many equations here. There are n equations. So it is 1 into n. Students, there are not 4 equations. There are so many equations. Suppose n could be 50, n could be 70, n could be 3, n could be 4. Okay. So once we know this, students, you see, what is the next step? Yes, students. You see, so many things are getting cancelled. What? 1 cube is getting cancelled. Huh? Am I right? 1 cube is getting cancelled with 1 cube. Then 2 cube is getting cancelled with 2 cube. Obviously, 3 cube will also get cancelled with minus 3 cube. And students see that n minus 1 cube is getting cancelled with minus n minus 1 cube. Right. Similarly, Ishma, can you understand? As there is n minus 1 cube, before this, there will be n minus 1 whole, n minus 1 whole cube. Am I right? So this will also cancel with the previous term. Now, what is remaining on the right side? I'm sorry. On what is remaining on the left side? Can
N
you tell?
cube.
Two terms are remaining, n cube and minus 0 cube. Any doubt in this, students? If there's a doubt, I can explain again. But it's very simple. Any doubt, Ishma?
No, sir.
No doubt. Oh, that's pretty simple. It's all plus minus. Okay. Now, Ishma, on the right side, what we will write? Can we write this in summation form? This one?
Yes, sir.
Is it? How can we write it? Plus 3. What? And this is. Can I simply write it as Sn? This is
Yes,
what
sir.
I wanted to find out. You see the previous slide. See, I wanted to find out. I'm sorry. Before this, yeah, this was my Sn. This is what I wanted to find out. So how can I write 3 Sn? Am I right? Minus 3, students. You see, already we have found out expression for this. Sum of first and natural numbers. So can you tell me, Ishma, this will be equal to sum of first and natural numbers? Sum of
N into n plus 1 by 2.
n into n plus 1 by 2. I'm happy. These students have not learned before. They're learning for the first time and they're doing it good. Plus, what is the last term?
N.
Last term is n. Okay. So please remember this equation. Please write down. So I will take it to the next page. Yes. So what we got, please tell me. On the left side was n cube. On the right side was?
3n squared.
No, not 3n squared. On the left side, we had 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. This is what was Sn. So this is 3 Sn. Am I right? 3 into Sn. Any doubt in this, Ishma?
No, sir.
No doubt. Good. And this is 3 into, okay, plus 1. Good, good, good. So this is 3 into Sn. 3 into Sn. And then minus 3 into sum of first and natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. And what was the last term? Plus n. Okay, that's good. Now, Ishma, we want to find out the value for Sn. And what is our Sn? Sn is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. And last was n square. Okay, we got it. So whatever we want to find out, students always put it on the left hand side. Okay, so I will get 3 Sn would be equal to, imagine this is on right side and then writing on left side is same, and put these two terms on the other side. So it will be on the other side is n cube, am I right, plus 3. Now please multiply this. So it will be 3n square, right? 3 into n square plus what? Please tell me, Ishma. 3n square plus 3n divided by 2. Is it right?
Yes,
When I
sir.
take this on the left hand side, this term. Minus will become plus, and this will be, I've just multiplied 3n by n, 3n square, 3n by 1, 3n divided by 2. Is it right? And this n will also go to left side. It will be minus n. Am I right? Am I right or wrong,
Yes,
students?
sir.
Oh, that's beautiful. So now 3Sn is equal to, let's wind up fast. Tell me, maybe we can take LCM. So maybe you can say 2 is the LCM. So what do you get? You get
2n
2,
cubed
2n cube plus 3n square plus, oh, sorry. Yeah, 2n cube plus 3n square plus 3n minus, tell me,
2n.
2n. Beautiful. So this is equal to what? So this is equal to, write the cube term first, 2n cube plus 3n square. So 3n minus 2n is n, right? Divided by 2. Okay. So that gives us the value for Sn. And what is Sn? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up till what? N square is equal to
N.
1 by 6. 3 goes down. 1 by 6 into, yes, what is the formula? 2,
2n square
no, it's
plus
2n
3.
cube. It's 2n cube plus 3 n square plus n. All right, guys, you have successfully derived this formula also. Okay, so let's put it in here. Sn. Okay, guys. So this is how we have derived the formula for first n natural numbers and the squares of first n natural numbers. I wish you all the best, students, and I also appeal to you to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon of our YouTube channel, Learn CBE. And education should spread. If you like the video, subscribe our channel and do share with your friends. Thank you very much.